guys, so for today's video, I decided I'm going to try out eating at only fast food restaurants for a day and trying to find vegan options there. I feel like over the past couple of years, fast food restaurants have really been trying to incorporate like at least some vegetarian and some vegan options into their menus. Some are kind of interesting, some seem pretty good, so I am going to be trying those out. I'm not fully vegan, I eat seafood occasionally. I'll also have something with like eggs in it. I would say I'm more like a pescatarian that doesn't eat dairy, but that's kind of a mouthful, so I just say I'm like plant-based, mostly vegan. However, I don't really eat at fast food restaurants just because A, they make me physically not feel great, and they don't really have a lot of vegan options anyway, so I usually tend to steer clear except for the occasional french fry and Diet Coke. But here we are, expanding my horizons. So a little nervous for this. I feel like it's gonna hurt my stomach. I just know I'm gonna have a stomach ache, but I'm gonna try it out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, so it is now breakfast time. So first things first, I'm going to Starbucks because it seems to be the only fast food place that has like actual vegan breakfast options. So I don't usually get food at Starbucks, so I'm gonna try to find a vegan thing to get for food, and of course my normal almond milk latte. So let's go. I am very hungry and in dire need of coffee, so very excited for this. At least I know for Starbucks like it's gonna be good. I just mobile ordered. Wait, did I mobile order? Okay, I'm placing my mobile order right now. Hopefully it's ready by the time I get there. So for the food options, they have some Impossible Meat breakfast sandwiches, but they all have like cheese and egg on them, so they're just like vegetarian, not vegan. As far as vegan options go, there was bagels, like plain bagels, which I was like, oh, that's kind of boring. I don't want to do that. All the pastries are not vegan. What else did they have? The oatmeal there is also vegan, but like I've had that before. I want to try something new. So they just came out with a vegan overnight oats. So that's what I ordered, and we'll see how it tastes. I'm actually really excited for this. I do like overnight oats. It's really tiny. Oh, it's actually really good. Oh my god, it tastes like dessert. This is like 10 out of 10. Go off Starbucks. I mean, I'm gonna eat this in like 3 bites, but it's really good. Starting off strong with the vegan Starbucks. I mean, obviously my coffee, I get this whenever I go to Starbucks, so I love it. We got a grande triple shot almond milk latte with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. Okay, overall, I would rate this vegan breakfast experience like 10 out of 10. I don't even think they could improve. Like, this is really good. The price point is a little bit expensive for like fast food. I spent $10.20 for this little parfait and then a latte, but not horrible. I'm guessing this is probably gonna be my most expensive meal of the day. However, still not horrible. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys at lunch, I guess. Okay guys, so off to Burger King. They actually have an Impossible Whopper. So I'm sure you guys know what Impossible Burgers are. I kind of like Impossible Burgers every once in a while. They're okay. I've heard the Burger King one's actually pretty good. So to make it vegan, I just need to get it without mayo or cheese. Their fries are also vegan, so I'm gonna get a side of fries. And yeah, a vegan burger meal, kind of interesting. I'm a little scared how my tummy's gonna take it because it's like a lot of chemicals and fast food. I don't eat a lot of fast food, so sometimes it hurts my stomach, but I'm very intrigued by this Impossible Burger. Like, I've always wanted to try it, so we'll see. Okay, here we go. Hi, can I get the Impossible Whopper with no cheese or mayo and a small fry?
You said no cheese or mayo?
Correct.
Would you like the combo or no combo?
What comes with the combo?
Is this a fries and drink?
Sure.
Would you like the combo small, medium, or large?
Small.
Would that complete your order?
Yes.
Next one, though, please.
Okay, thank you. Also, the total for this was like $9, I think, so not too bad, but like a little expensive for like a fast food meal. I think I might end up spending like $25 on 3 meals out today, which is kind of good, but I guess we'll see at the end of the day what the total is. Thanks. Have a good one. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so these are the fries. I've already been nibbling on them. They're really fresh, but they're just like not salty at all, which is kind of interesting. Here's the Whopper. So let's see. I'm a little nervous. Oh, okay. I mean, it looks like a regular burger. I mean, just lettuce, tomato, and then the burger. I mean, it's okay. It's a little boring. There's no mayo or any salt on it. It doesn't really taste like much. It's okay. I would give this meal like 7 out of 10. Like, it's great for vegans, very convenient, very easy. It tastes pretty good, not amazing, but I mean, it's okay. Okay guys, it is dinner time, so I will be headed to Panda Express. Lighting's a little bad here, so I'm gonna go pick it up and I'll tell you guys what I got. Okay, so my vegan Panda order, I got their chow mein because that's vegan. I also got half chow mein, half broccoli, and then for the other, I guess it's the entree part, they have like an eggplant tofu thing. So that's that. I also got a kids meal, which is like 2 things, and then you also get a cookie, which is not vegan, and a drink. So I got water. I feel like this was only like $6, and it's kind of like a decent amount of food. So either way, great deal. Let's try the chow mein. Pretty good, pretty good. And then the broccoli, I think it's just like plain steamed broccoli. It's like okay, it's just kind of boring. And then this is the tofu thing. Okay, that's like really good. Okay, it's kind of like a spicy orange chicken sauce. But okay, that's like really good. I think this one is like a 9 out of 10. But the price point is so good for like a full vegan meal. Especially the kids meal at Panda, like this is like a decent amount of food. Okay, so overall, after eating fast food for an entire day, I felt weird. Like my stomach hurt, but I was also like very hungry in between meals. Like I felt like it wasn't very productive meals, if that makes any sense. Like they weren't very filling or satiating. They just kind of like greasy and made me feel not great. Overall, I'd say the food tasted pretty good, and at least for what I got, it was easy to order. So like those options are definitely there and pretty convenient for vegans. I'm not sure if it's the best thing to eat, but it's nice to know that it's there. I know there's also so many other fast food restaurants that I didn't get to try out in this video, so if you maybe want to see a part 2, let me know. I could definitely do it again. I did some research and there definitely are other places that have vegan options, so I'm open to it. Let me know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, both at Ella_Elbells, so be sure to follow me both of those, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!